Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. So basically, there are only few things that you can check so you can fix this problem. The first thing is your uh, app version. You will make sure to have your application that is already updated to the latest version. And to do so, you can simply go to your phone, and after that, either you are using like the App Store or the Play Store, you will be needing just to go to your store, and after that, you can either check for uh, updates or you can simply search for your app specifically. And in my case, it is edits, and from there you will be needing just to search if there is like an updates button next to edits. After that, if it is already updated and it's still crashing, try to clear the cache of your edits. So you can simply hold on the app, like hold click on the application. After that, you can go to the app info, and from there you will find storage. By clicking on storage, you will see clear storage and clear cache. Basically, you will need just to click on clear cache, and after that, you will need just to restart the application and see if it is working. Otherwise, it's probably like a problem from the application itself, and then you will be needing to have an update, or you will need just company to release an update for the app so they can fix any bugs that is contained in it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.